Hello everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in to another Blended Fields video. I have another laundry video for you. Listen, we all know laundry never ends, especially when you have kids. It just never ends. So I'm always going to come at you with some laundry content. Okay. So if you enjoyed the content, make sure you stick around. And of course, make sure that you like the video and also subscribe if you haven't already. So this is what I want you to do. If you're like me, go ahead, get that pile of clothes that's been sitting in the corner. Go ahead, go get them. Go get them. Let's fold them together. Or go get the pile of clothes that's in your dryer right now that's been sitting there for a couple of days. You may have to, run a quick little cycle to get them wrinkles out. But go ahead and do that so we can get this together. Or if you just need some laundry motivation, let's go ahead and get this going together. Of course, I have some music for you to listen to, and I'll pop in a little bit later in the video. But otherwise, I hope that you do enjoy.
Blinking, you were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. What a time to be in love. Oh my God, if forever is not enough. Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my, oh my, oh my God. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between. The sum of my mistakes, can I catch a break to breathe? Not a perfect man, but I understand the journey. So I'll write another song to right another wrong. Oh my, it's a game of live and learn. I left and then returned to try till I get it right. Trust yourself, love, it's okay, you get it right. Beat yourself up, it's okay, you get it right. No big deal, love, it's okay, it's just another wrong. Take a deeper breath before I reset. Oh my, so tired, but I begin again. Every step is time well spent. I'll take pride, down for the ride till I get it right. Trust yourself, love, it's okay, you get it right. Beat yourself up, it's okay, you get it right. No big deal, love, it's okay, it's just another wrong. I've been working on the daily, hours, minutes, seconds fade. Trying to keep up, staying busy. Gotta fail faster, they say. Hope that it leads to destiny. When I look back on mistakes, journey carried me to my dreams. Lessons I embrace till I trust yourself, love, it's okay, you get it right. Beat yourself up, it's okay, you get it right. No big deal, love, it's okay, it's just another wrong. We all have flaws, just another wrong. Please don't take it hard, love. We must be strong, yeah. We live to learn another day. Please don't take it hard, love. We'll be okay, be okay.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you, I know how to
taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you, baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there.
So that is all that I have for you today, but just wait. I'm going to show you a cute clip of Amori. She was trying to help me, but she ended up just laying in the laundry basket and she stole my phone. So thanks for all the help, Amori. But of course, if you have any questions or comments or anything that you want to say, definitely leave it down in the description box below. And I really hope that you did enjoy this video. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.